everybody, Holli here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and today I thought we'd make a roasted gazpacho. Now normal gazpachos, you wouldn't roast any of the vegetables, but this one I like to roast the things you can roast. So we're not gonna roast the tomatoes, we're not gonna roast the cucumbers, but we're gonna go ahead and roast some red bell peppers, some garlic, some jalapeños, and some red onions. So I've already cut up a few red bell peppers. Let's cut up a couple more. And once we roast them, we'll roast them long enough. I'm actually gonna put them kind of in a really hot oven so we can take them out and get the skins removed. So we'll throw all these little guys on here. Then we'll go ahead and I've got one jalapeno. I have seeded him. Got some garlic already here. And then I've got a half of a red onion. So I'm gonna put this in about a 500-degree oven. It's probably gonna take about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll do the tomatoes and the cucumbers. Okay, now we're gonna pop these in the oven. It's at about, maybe 500 degrees, because I wanna get it kind of roasty and charred so the skins will pop off the peppers. So let's pop them in. I'm gonna take a look at it in a little bit, but I'm gonna say about 15 minutes. Okay, all my veggies have been roasting about 20 minutes. And what we're gonna do now, because I wanna skin these bell peppers, and here's a trick on skinning your bell peppers. Ziploc bag. Throw them in. And what they're gonna do is they're going to steam. And then it will make it much easier to pull the skin off the bell peppers. Ooh. Probably 10 minutes or so. Okay, so we're gonna set these aside and just let them do their thing. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let me show you what happened to the bell peppers. Super duper cool. I've already done a few. Let's pull out the rest of these guys. And sometimes people want to rinse these underwater. Don't do that. You lose all the yummy flavor. So all we're gonna do is just, the skins are just gonna come right off, just like that. And you can leave some of it on. It's not the end of the world if a little bit stays on. Okay, they just come right off. And of course, if you wanted, you could buy these in the jar. But you're roasting all the other vegetables, so I think why not just do this too, huh? Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's just give a quick little chop, just a rough chop, to the veg. We're throwing everything in the processor. You could use a processor, or this is a Vitamix, but either one's gonna work. Jalapenos. Let's see. Okay. So to that, I've got tomatoes already chopped. Just, I seeded them and chopped them, but don't worry about skinning them. Then I've got some cucumber, peeled and seeded. Lime juice. Let's go with about a tablespoon of sherry vinegar. Of course, we need some salt. Quite a bit of salt, because all those tomatoes and the cucumbers, you're gonna love that salt. Let's go with some black pepper. Let's get our stuff all out of the way. It's kind of messy. Okay, so let's give this guy a go. I think. Should be. Pretty much that easy. I like to keep it a little bit chunky. I think that's kind of what gazpacho is. So all we need to do now is pour it out into a bowl. Let's give it a quick taste, see if it needs any more salt. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay. Now we're gonna just put it in the fridge and let it chill, and then we'll serve it. I'll show you what to serve it with in a little bit once it's chilled for a while. Okay, the gazpacho's been in the fridge for about an hour, got nice and cold. Let's give it a little more fresh cilantro on top. Let's give it a taste. Looks yummy. Got a little sour cream on here, some chopped avo. Tasty. Perfect with a cold beer. Yum, yum, yum. It's easy breezy. Give it a try.